Is it okay if I call you mine, just for a time? Then I will be just fine if I know that you know that I've been needing your love. Oh, if I ask of you, is it alright if I ask you to hold me tight to a cold dark night? 'Cause there may be a cloudy day inside, and I need to let you know that I might want to needing your love. What I'm trying to say isn't really new. It's just the things that happen to me when I'm reminded of you. Like when I hear your name, or see the place that you've been, or see a picture of your grin, or past the house that you've been in one time or another. It sets up something in me I can't explain, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh babe, I love your love. What I'm trying to say isn't really new. It's just the things that happen to me, and I'm reminded of you.